Time for our hourly update. It is now 12:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There's our pipe. And as you can see, my footprints did not cover over as much the last time. And the snow is finer. It's definitely a finer snow, so it's going to slow down on us. We'll see what's going on. There's on top of the trash can back there. But yeah, we have definitely, it's a lighter, not as intense snow. Falling a little bit slower at this point. Maybe it'll pick back up to those big flurry flakes, but I was expecting with everything that pipe would be covered by the end of the day. So we'll see. We'll see.